Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today. And today I have one idea for you using this wallpaper that you see here. I bought this wallpaper from a lady who also sold me some beautiful furniture pieces that I have in my gigantic dollhouse. And if you've been following me, you probably saw the video in which I shared all the furniture pieces, and I mentioned that she sold them to me for $25, which was a great deal. So at a separate time, I bought from her these rolls of 1.12 scale dollhouse paper. Not at those prices. It was way less than that for all of this. But now, instead of using this as wallpaper in any of my dollhouses, I'm going to convert this into a curtain look, like maybe drapes, a curtain, valance. So that's what I'm going to be using these for. Beautiful patterns. I bought, this one was the one that I ended up opening, so I have it right here. And all I did was make a few folds, and it gave me that look that I wanted. So I want to show you what I mean. Just by folding it this way, I got that curtain look, that valance look that you saw in the beginning of the video. So it's like one fold, two folds, three folds. So I folded it this way once, twice, and of course this is the third one right there. So when you flatten it this way, you get that nice background, which I'm going to use in a little baby room. Right now, I'm going to take you over to that room. So why don't you follow me? This is the room here. Now, don't worry about the orange wall, because I'm going to be covering that window with the wallpaper that I just showed you. And being that this is pretty flexible, I can easily just slide it in there into this room. Okay, there's no glue, no adhesives, no tape being used. So we need a nice floor for this creation. So I happen to have this piece of felt paper, and being that this room is for a boy, I chose the blue felt. So this is going to be the floor. I know that the flowers are upside down. It really doesn't matter, because the entire idea is about those folds right there, the background. Then I have this little sofa seat right here. I bought it at a yard sale a while back. I think I bought it for like 25 cents. And this opens up maybe for some storage. And this is going to go right in this corner here, right there. Then I also have a crib. Now this crib is adjustable. This here is adjustable for the height of whatever baby's gonna go in there. But I'm going to leave it at that height. And then I'll see if the baby is tall enough or short enough, and then I'll adjust it again. So here is the baby that I'm talking about. Here he is. I had to put a little bit of adhesive there so he can hold the ball, because you can tell that his arms are very separated, unless I got a bigger ball. But for now, this is what it's going to be. So let's place him there, and look at that. The height of the rails is fine, so I won't touch that. Then I also have another piece here, which I want to tell you about. This armor here. I got it at a yard sale. No, I'm sorry, at an estate sale. I bought it at an estate sale a few months ago with another orange piece. And it wasn't too cheap. This one was 10 bucks. And this is really, I think, the first time I'm using it. Because in a way it does match. It has some of the blue that the rug has. You see it right there? And it has some burgundy little areas which match that seat. So that is why this is going in there, but it's beautiful. I am going to make other creations with this. Look at that beautiful piece, handmade, hand painted, beautiful, nicely made. So why don't we place it right there? So this is a little room for this baby here. Then I also have a few other pieces. I have a little horse here. So when they take the baby out, they place him on the horse, and he has a lot of fun with that. Then the last piece that you will see in this video is a bunch of bottles there. Let's place it right there. Those are the bottles that they warm up for this little baby. And then I have one individual one here. That's the one he's going to have inside his crib there. Right there. So that's it. The entire idea was about this wallpaper not being used as wallpaper, but being used as a background that looks like some type of curtain. And that would be the valance right there. Vintage little baby. It looks like he's looking at us right now. You know where I find my pieces: thrift shops, yard sales, and flea markets. Well, I think that this will be it. Stay tuned for more with this wallpaper. And thank you so much for watching.